Chapter 4, Lesson 3, Developing Teaching Strategies in Multi-Grade Class. Before we're going to start in my discussion, let us pray first.
Panimulang panalangin. Panginoon, hindi po magiging madali para sa amin ang araw na ito kung wala ka po sa aming tabi. Gabayan mo po kaming lahat na mag-aaral upang malinang ang aming isipan at maunawaan ng lubos ang anumang leksyon na itinuturo sa amin. Gabayan mo din po ang aming mga guro at magulang upang magkaroon sila ng sapat na katyagaan upang maihatid sa amin ang dapat nilang ituro. Amen.
Good morning everyone. I am Kayla E. Manzano, the first reporter in Chapter 4, Lesson 3. What to expect? At the end of the lesson, the students can identify and explain teaching strategies appropriate for multi-grade, and number 2, discuss how to train students to be peers tutors. Strategy 1, teach all groups together. You can decide which lessons or units are suitable to be taught to all students together. As a teacher, we should know our learners so that we can give them the suitable topic they need. And by doing that, we can be efficient teachers. We can fully give to our students the knowledge they need, even though they are not in the same grade levels. Number 2, provide the same content. Even though they are not in the same grade level, the content must be the same so that they can acquire the same knowledge in the same context. Number 3, use the same teaching and learning methodology in transmitting. 4, expect the same learning outcomes for all students. We are dealing in multi-grade class. We must set the same objectives that we wanted to attain after our class discussion. Multi-grade classroom has a good effect because they can help each other to learn, and they build a good relationship between the older and the younger ones, as well as it is good to build a good solidarity. Example, whole class activity. Imagine you have planned to teach counting from 1 to 10 to a lower grade. You can explain the numbers by telling a story to all groups in the classroom. Involve higher grades by using a number chart and asking each student to point to the correct number as it is read out. After you have read the story, ask students to set in a group. At the center of each group, place a pile of flashcards with the numbers 1 to 10. Call out the numbers randomly, and students try to pick up the announced number first. The group that recognizes the most numbers fastest wins. Strategy 2. Teach one grade while others work independently. In this strategy, teachers are dealing with one grade at a time. Other grade left behind with their peer tutor. In this strategy, students explore the real world as well as they learn from their peers. They help each other to understand one specific topic. Students can be independent in this strategy. Example, using above lesson on numbers as the whole classroom. Introduction. You can work with grade 1 first on the cardinal numbers 1 to 10. Then move to grade 2 and focus on ordinal version of this number, first, second, or third. If you have grade 3, you can later move to the group and work on related concepts such as single, double, and triple. That concludes my report. Thank you and God bless us all.